Crude oil this week has bounced around this support level around 78.40, where we can see that the price was jumping down, and then on a Wednesday the price formed a strong candle with a strong weak where the price touched 76.14 demand zone and then returned back up, forming a bullish pin bar indicating further rise in value. And what we can see here on Friday, the price formed again a small bearish breakout above 79.17, which is indication for the further rise in the value. On the weekly time frame, we can see after the price formed this strong bearish candle, the price formed indecision candle in the previous week, and this week the price formed a small bullish candle. On the monthly time frame, after the price formed this bearish pin bar, the price is currently forming a small bearish candle body, but with a still large wick. So we need to see how this closes, how this month will close, which is a very important level, but currently we can make some kind of conclusions. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price is currently jumping and it is bouncing from this support level, which means 76.34, which is a very important support level. We can see that it is very close to this one, 75.73. You will see that on the daily time frame, 75.73, 73 is a lower side of this demand zone. We will see that on the daily time frame much more clearly. On the monthly time frame, in the next 1.5 week, it is a very important level, this one, 80.93. This will be a support resistance level for the price that will prevent the price from rising up, but we will see what happens on lower time frames. Now, what I have said just a minute, around 81, we can see a very important price level, which means around this one, 81. And we can see that currently on the weekly time frame, a small resistance for the price is 80.47 and 80.61. This is the small area that is very important for the price on the weekly time frame. So we will see what happens around this price level, but currently what we can see, the price is pointing further decline down on the higher scale. But on the smaller scale, which is a very important information, it is on the daily time frame, and this is something what we can see here. Just a minute, I need to adapt this one because let's see how the price behaves around these price levels. Just a minute, what are the support and resistance levels? This was a failed bullish breakout, fall down, the price reached this resistance level, formed this one, returned back down, continue to fall down even more. Then the price gone up, did not confirm it this. Okay, let's then see how the price behaves. The price formed a bearish breakout. Okay, 77. Okay, I will move this one. I need to modify this support and resistance level because I can see how the price behaves around this area. Then on the upper side, we can see that a very important level for the price is also a second one. Let's put this one here just to make that clear so we can follow easily on the daily time frame. Let's see where is the important level. This one here is also very important for the price. Okay, price makes a breakout. Okay, price turns back up. Okay, and this one here, how the price behaves. A breakout happens, continue to rise in value. Then let's see how the price behaves around this one. Okay, this is the one. This is the area where this should be, because I can see the price is forming a bullish and bearish breakout happening on the market. This will be an area for the price, and this will be also an area for the price. Show only on the daily time frames. Okay, this is the one. Oh no, just a minute. Here it is. Now we can continue. So we can see what is very important level. Currently the price is forming a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, and we can see the next target will be around this one, which is 79.98, but we can round number around 80. So this is the next target. We'll see how the price behaves around this resistance level, which is a pretty strong for the price currently, what I can see on the market. Let me check, is this one correct? Set here. This will be like this. Okay, so for the crude oil, I'm expecting to rise in value, and we'll see what happens. Very important level for the price, and also a very important support level for the price. We'll see what happens around this area. If the breakout happens, we'll see, and it will be pointing the direction where the price could go. If the price goes above this one, this will be on the monthly time frame a very important signal that the price will continue to rise value around 82. But if the price goes down, this will be a continuation of the bearish trend which we have seen on the weekly and also on the monthly time frame. But for now, it is expected for the price to rise in value slightly around 80.00. If the breakout happens, if anything happens on the market, I will send a notification on the Telegram group with the traders. If you would like to check that, feel free to check the link below in the description. And this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.